In the vast and ancient world of Hindu mythology, one divine being is known as the ultimate protector. The one who maintains the delicate balance between good and evil. The one who preserves life and restores order when chaos threatens the world. He is Lord Vishnu, the preserver, the savior, and for millions, the supreme being himself. But who exactly is Lord Vishnu? Why does he take different forms across history? And how has his presence shaped the spiritual beliefs of millions across the world? Let's dive deep into the incredible story of Lord Vishnu, his forms, his symbols, his avatars, and his timeless significance. First, let's understand the basics. In Hindu tradition, there exists a sacred trinity called the Trimurti. It consists of three supreme deities, each with a cosmic responsibility: Brahma, the creator of the universe; Vishnu, the preserver and protector of life; and Shiva, the destroyer, who brings about transformation and rebirth. While Brahma creates the world, and Shiva dissolves it for regeneration. It is Lord Vishnu who ensures the universe stays in harmony. He protects existence itself. And whenever evil rises, whenever righteousness, known as Dharma, is threatened, it is believed that Vishnu incarnates on earth to restore balance. Lord Vishnu is widely worshipped across India and beyond. He is especially revered in Vaishnavism, one of the largest sects within Hinduism, where Vishnu is regarded as the ultimate, supreme being. Devotees see him not just as a god, but as the eternal truth behind all creation. Now, let's talk about his divine appearance. Lord Vishnu is typically depicted with radiant blue skin. The blue color symbolizes infinity, like the endless sky, or the deep ocean. It represents his vastness, his limitless nature, beyond human boundaries. He is usually shown with 4 arms, each carrying powerful symbols. First, the Shankha, or conch shell. It produces the sound Om, considered the primordial sound of the universe.